Want to learn how to supercharge your company campaign and create impactful results using this proven blueprint? This how-to guide will help your sales promotion, events, product introduction, or marketing plan from ordinary to extraordinary. Learn the secret sauce that will unlock your campaign planning to the next level. Coming up.
What makes a great campaign? Your How-To Guide by Gary Pascasio. Today I will share with you how to make a great campaign. In this audio-video presentation, we'll give you the points to remember when you're building your campaign. Know the secret sauce in making a versatile and interactive program. Let's start. Let's try to answer the question. What makes a great campaign? There are fantastic campaigns that have implemented in various industry markets. Looking for the common factors of a great campaign? A creative design from an advertising campaign. A community plan for social activities. It can be a demand generation plan for your company services, a new product introduction, or a simple sales promotion campaign. What is the secret sauce that makes it succeed? Let us look at the basics. Being the operator or strategist. What do you want to achieve? To improve your bottom line results, company objectives, brand building, sales target, company goals, or it can be another reason altogether. These are all correct. What actually matters first is your purpose for the campaign. We all know when you are starting something new, you need a purpose. The reason you want to do the project or campaign in the first place. It can be short-term or a long-term program or a combination of both. Ask a question to yourself. What is the purpose of this campaign? To increase awareness and identity of your brand. Is it to promote a new product or service, for example a new app, shirt, or beverage, of the company? Improve customer engagement. Create an impact by developing a new advertisement. Gather feedback from your customers, i.e. to improve product or processes, understand customers' needs and wants. Develop ongoing content to be relevant on your customers' eyes. Or, increase your sales or revenue in a particular product or service. These are some questions that you can use or guide to understand what purpose of your campaign. You can now start building a campaign either from scratch or a template, which is okay. Nowadays most templates are available online or specified by your company. There are tools, apps, and plans in various websites have specific templates that you can use. Develop a robust plan by customizing based on your industry needs and customer wants. Then add a creative program and focus on the goals and targets. A campaign can be any activity, from helping improve, increase results, effective awareness, and more to your campaign. This how-to guide will help you develop and apply your campaigns with ease and making sure you are on the right step. You can skip this part and go to the secret sauce of a campaign. I would suggest reading the whole article. You'll be missing out on useful information, tips, guides, and blueprints that will support your campaign planning. Next, we will be talking about the basics. Understand what is the purpose and goal of your campaign. What is your objectives, your background, and research. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so that everyone can learn more about creating a great campaign. Thank you. Alright, see you on the next topic. Click the next episode.